Hi, Sagadilim here from MLM BasicsTv, making life meaningful. So today, let's talk about the 5 stages of personal growth. Ayan. Some refers to it as 5 stages or 5 R's. 5 R's of personal development. So, whether you like it or not, talagang mapagdadaanan mo to kapag ginagawa mo yung business or you are building your business, your network marketing business, pagdadaanan mo talaga to. Okay, that's why I have to discuss it at least naman ma-inform ka agad-agad para pag dumating yung number 2 stage, yan, ready ka na at alam mo na kung ano yung gagawin mo. Okay? So number 1, ito yung in love stage. Okay? The romance stage. Yan, romance, 'di ba? Nung high school ka, pag dumaan si crush, anong nangyayari? Titibo-tibo, alab ng puso, 'di ba? You're so excited. Yan, the happiness. Lalo na pag lumingon si crush. So ano nangyayari? The happiness is there. Lalo na pag kinindatan ka, 'di ba? Happiness, excitement is there. So ganun din po sa network marketing business or sa usana business mo. Okay? So ito yung line ng neutral mode mo. Ayan. Ngayon, may opportunity na dumating. Let's say usana business dumating. Nakinig ka sa opportunity. And then na-figure out mo na maganda pala yung opportunity at pwede pala mabago yung buhay mo kapag ginawa mo yung business. So the excitement is there. The hope is there. So grabe yung feeling. It's so high. Yan. So ang nangyari ngayon, dati ganyan lang yung mode mo, and then meron ka ng pag-asa sa buhay, dumating yung opportunity, your mood become like this. Yan. Grabe. Pak! Akyat. Yan yung romance stage. Okay, the in love stage. So that moment, grabe, everything is possible. Ayan. Naiisip mo na, bilisan ko to kasi mag-resign na ako, or ipa-fire ko si boss. Yan, kikita ako ng $1,000 per week in just 6 months. Yan, ang tapang-tapang mo talaga because you are so excited. Okay? So what brings you there? Or what brings you there na ganung pag-iisip na everything is possible? Emotion. Yan, emotion. Okay? The excitement. Okay? The emotion. So nag-decide ka ngayon, your decision is based sa emotion na meron ka. Okay? And then this is the neutral mode. Ito naman yung romance. Dahan-dahan yan. Bababa. In 2 months time, ha? Bababa yan. Bababa. Okay? Good thing lang sana pag nag-stop na siya doon sa neutral mode. Pero hindi, guys, dadaanan yan. Okay? Bubutasin yung neutral mode mo hanggang doon sa baba. Ang tawag mo doon, reaction stage. That's the time na nag-react ka na. Okay? Kumusta? Yan. Si coach. Si coach. Or si mentor. Kumusta? How are you? Ayan. Anong reply mo? So, or sin mood na. Why? Kasi there's an emotional pain. Saan galing? Doon sa mga rejection, doon sa mga objections, doon sa mga discouragement, criticism. Okay, na na-receive mo in 2 months building your business. Okay, akala mo 2 years ka na. Pero in 2 months time, grabe yung reaction na nangyayari. Okay? So you're so low. So yung abaga mo ngayon, ganyan na, 'di ba? Parang wala nang pag-asa. Yet alam mo, okay? The mind, gising yung mind mo na pag trinabaho mo yung business, talagang pwedeng baguhin yung buhay mo. Talagang kikita ka ng malaki. But the emotion is so painful. Okay? Kahit na alam mo naman sana na hindi ka yung ni-reject, kundi yung opportunity mo na ino-offer. Alam mo naman sana na hindi ka naman dinidiscourage ng family mo, pero ginagawa nila yung parang for you discouragement, pinapahinto ka sa ginagawa mo because they really care for you. Ayaw ka nilang masaktan. Ayaw ka nilang mag-fail. Okay? Kasi nga misinform sila na kailangan mo masaktan din talaga. Kailangan mo maghirap din talaga sa umpisa para makuha yung pinapangarap mo. Or ang pagkakaalam nila sa ginagawa mo is a scam. Yan. So they are just misinformed. So ayaw nilang masaktan ka. That's why dinidiscourage ka nila not to continue. Okay? Because of that, okay, from the outside environment na nangyayari, naapektuhan ka, nasasaktan ka. That's why nagre-react ka ngayon. Instead of responding sa mentor or sa coach mo, nagre-react ka na. Ayan. Ayan. Kumusta? So guys, reaction stage. Ayan. So that time talaga, kung sa romance stage, emotion ang nagbe-base, ang basihan mo ng decision, dito naman, this is the time na para ba sa akin talaga tong business na to. Okay? Emotion din. Low emotion din. Yung parang basihan mo ng decision. Either you will gonna continue the business or magki-quit ka. So, emotion based. Low emotion. Okay? Alam naman natin na when you decide, do not use emotion. Pero, because of the pain na mayroon ka ngayon, okay? Gusto mo mag-quit based sa emotion na yon. Pero, you have to do this pag dumating na yung reaction stage na yan. Okay? Ito gawin mo. Dalawa lang naman. Number 1, you have to immerse. Maligo ka, di ba? Pag naligo ka sa dagat, hindi masasabing ligo yan pag hindi mo in-immerse yung ulo mo. Yan, doon sa tubig. Okay? Immersion. You immerse yourself sa training. Yan. Exposure. Yan. Kasi doon, may mga inputs na meron ka na hindi tama. So, doon matatama sa mga trainings, sa mga exposures na meron ka, or sa mga trainings na binibigay ng ating mga mentors, mga successful people dito sa network marketing business na to. Okay? So, immerse. Kahit na ayaw mo na, kahit na ayaw mong mag-attend ng Zoom meeting, attend ka pa din. Because that's the only way. Okay? Posing yourself. Kasi ang goal natin dito, magiging self-motivated ka. Pero aminin man natin, no? Aminin natin na in the first place, pag join mo, hindi ka naman self-motivated. Okay? Self-motivation is, or self-motivated is para yung sa mga leaders, okay? Yung mga nag-grow na din talaga. So, tools. Okay, expose yourself sa mga tools para maging self-motivated ka, and that's training. Okay? Sabi nga, mindset cannot be taught, it can be caught. Okay? So, saan mo yan huhulihin yung mindsets or the right mindset? Doon sa mga trainings. That's why you have to immerse. Okay? Number 2 na gawin mo. Kasi medyo kan-kan na yan. Palaban. Okay? Palaban. Ayaw mo nang maniwala sa mentor mo or sa coach mo. Pilitin mo sarili mo to hold on. Okay? Huwag bibitaw sa kamay ni coach. Yan. Huwag kang bibitaw sa kamay ni coach. Hold on. Kasi that time, emotion yung ginagamit mo in making a decision, either to quit or not. Naka-blindfold ka. So, ang utak mo that time, the logic is your coach. Okay? Yan yung utak mo. Yan. Kasi napagdaanan niya kung ano yung pinagdaanan mo. Okay? So, hold on. Okay? Just hold on. Hanggang ma-overcome mo yung reaction stage. Hanggang makarating ka sa pangatlo. Pero wag mo namang tagalan. Kasi, pag tinatagalan mo, mas lalong mahihirapan ka. So, number 3, recognition stage. In here, there's a use of brain. Logic. Wala ka nang pakialam sa emotion dito. Okay? Logic. Nare-recognize mo na kung ano yung gusto mo, may kapalit. There's no such thing as something for nothing. Okay? This is your dream. Ito yung sacrifice. Okay? You have to invest time, effort. You have to learn. You have to undergo the process if you want to become successful. Yan. So, there's a recognition. And nangyayari yan because hindi ka bumitaw nung nasa reaction stage ka. So, dito ngayon, utak na ginagamit mo. Nare-recognize mo, kaya pala. Okay? I want this. I want $1,000 per week. So, I have to work. Okay? I have to work. I have to work so that the system will gonna work. The leverage system of usana. So, then, so, nare-recognize mo ngayon, I want this dream car. So, this is the sacrifice na kailangan ko. So, right now, natatauhan ka na. Okay? And, ito, pinaka the best, yung resolve stage or resolution. Dito sa resolution guys, hindi ka na natitinag. Kung natitinag ka man, minuto lang yan or isang oras and then babangon ka ulit. Okay? Nagiging resilient ka na dito. Resolve. Okay? The belief is there na. The foundation. Okay? So, kahit na, let's say, nag-reject yung kaibigan mo sa opportunity na yung offer mo, it's okay for you. Okay? Hindi ka na nasasaktan. Okay? Kasi naiintindihan mo that you have a very good opportunity na makakatulong sa gustong tumanggap sa opportunity mo. So, resolve ka na yan sa opportunity or sa business na ginagawa mo. Okay? And number 5. I pray na darating ka sa number 5, the reproduction stage. Dito na po yung duplication. Okay? The duplication is here sa reproduction stage. Ayan. So, your aura is different. Okay? Kasi nga, nag-grow ka na from stage 1 to stage 4. May mga skills ka na. So, nag-grow ka na din. Ayan. So, you attract people na to join in the business. And you will become a leader na dito sa reproduction stage. So, ibig sabihin, kumikita ka na rin ng malaki. Okay? Reproduction stage. Duplication. Dito, more on the skills na i-develop mo dito is the leadership skills. And sometimes dito na rin nangyayari yung contribution. Okay? What will make us happy or fulfilled, of course, is not the money. Okay? But what you contribute to the society. So dito nangyayari sa reproduction. So I pray na makakarating ka dyan. Makakarating tayo. Okay? So guys, if you love what I talk or the topic na dinidiscuss ko sa short videos na napapanood nyo, subscribe to my channel. Okay? And see you sa susunod kong training. Okay? So thank you and God bless.